Hi everyone, my name is Rajdar Siddharth. Today date is 9th April 2022. Today topic is searching and sorting for technique sorting techniques. What is searching? Searching is an operation or a technique that helps fills the place of a given element or value in the list. Any search is said to be successful or unsuccessful depending upon the whether the element that is being searched is found or not. Some of the standard searching techniques that is being followed within the data structure in listed below, in which linear search or sequential search and binary search. What is linear search? This is the simplest method for searching. In this technique of searching, the element of to the found of searching, the element to found is searched for the unforced list. In case of a sorted list searching starts with the zero element and continuous until the element is found from the list of the element whose value is greater than, assuming that is list uh, sorted and ascending order. The value being searched is reached as against in ascending order as the value in which continuous until the element or the ends of the list is reached. What is binary search? Binary search in which a binary search is very fast and efficient searching techniques. It requires the list up to the sorted order in the this method to search an element. You can compare to the it represent element at the center of the list. If matches the this search is successful. Otherwise, is the list of divided into two one from the element 0. If middle element in which the center of element first half, another from the center of element in which element of which to half, where all values are greater than central element. The searching mechanism proceeds from either of the two halves depending upon whether the target of element greater or smaller than the element. If the element is smaller than central element, the searching of the done half of otherwise searching is done in the second half. The sorting techniques. Sorting technique process arranging the element of any array an array so that they can be placed either. There are many techniques by using which sorting and perform in this sorting algorithm description. Bubble sort, it is the simplest sort method which performs sorting by repeatedly moving the largest element from the highest index of the array. It comprises to comparing the each element to its the element object element and replace them accordingly. Second is bubble sort. Bubble sort is also known as bin sort. It works by the distributing the element into the array, also called bubbles. In the sorting algorithm, buckets are sorted individually by using the different something algorithm. And next is pond sort. Pond sort is the advanced from bubble sort. Bubble sort compares all the adjustment of the values of palm sort, removes the values or small values in all list. Counting sort, it is sorting technique based on the keys, that is object are collected according to the key, which small integer combining the circular number of occurrence, in which formed by the adding previous key elements and assigning the objects. And 5 is heap sort. In this heap sort mean heap for maximum heap. Thank you.